Want to make this 3D lyric edit that goes with your flow? And I have not used any keyframes. Like if I open position, rotation and scale, you will see there are no keyframes. If I press U, you will see the text fade in animation only. So to make this, right click on your project and create a composition. Set the resolution according to your clip. Then import any of your moving clips for the edit. Now drag your clip to the timeline and set the resolution to full. Then go to the tracker, then track camera. If you can't see this, just go to the window and enable this tracker effect. Now tap on the track camera. This will start to analyze and solve the camera. Now this process will take some time. After it's done, click on render track points. Now here you will see there are various track points appear in your scene. Now you have to select the most accurate track points that are close to each other. Like if you'll see this, red, green and pink track points are too far away. If you can't find anything, just simply go forward and find the best. Like here we can see, these track points are good. So we will select these 3 track points. Then right click and tap on create null and camera. Now go to the timeline, right click and select text and write few lines from your song like I do. Select this and set the color to white. Then go to the paragraph, tap on this alignment, then tap on your text layer and convert it into 3D. Now open position and always use this third position value called Z position to zoom in or zoom out the text. If we go forward, you can see our text goes too far. We have to make text stick to the pole. Let's set the Z position to 0. Now we will position our text to the first pole we see. Open scale and decrease the scale. Now if you'll see, our first text is stick to the pole perfectly. Let's adjust the position and scale like this much. Now to add some contrast to the text, go to layers, layer style and tap on this bevel and emboss. Now expand the bevel and emboss and set the size to 4 and soften to 2.3. Now close the layer and reopen it. Go to animate and tap on opacity. Expand the range selector 1, go to advanced and set this from character to words and shape to ramp up. Set the easy low to 100 and decrease the opacity to 0. Now go to the first frame, hit the stopwatch and set the value to -100. Then go few seconds forward and set the offset to +100. If you will see, we got the animation, but it is too fast. To decrease the speed, just drag the keyframe forward. Now close the layer and duplicate it and write your second line. Press P to open position. Now we will place the text to the next pole. First drag your layer forward when the second line of the song starts. Increase the Z position like I do. Go few frames forward and keep increasing the Z position unless it reaches to the pole. Now go to that frame where your first text layer is going out of the frame. Then press Ctrl, Shift and D to split and delete. Go to the effects and preset and search for fade. Drag fade in plus out frames effect to your text layer. Set the fade in duration to 5 and fade out duration to 8. Here you will see the smooth fade in effect on your text layer. Now go to the frame where the line changes. Split and delete this layer. Now duplicate this layer one more time and drag it where the song changes. Double tap on the layer and write your third line. Change the paragraph alignment as you need. Press P and adjust its position. Also decrease the scale when needed or offset keyframes. Now split and delete the layer. Go to the first layer. Copy the fade-in effect and paste it on all of your layer. Now you can write multiple lines as you need. When you are done, select all the layers except the video layer. Press Ctrl+Shift+C to pre-compose. We will now add some glow, and this is very optional. I will apply deep glow. You can use any glow if you want. Set the exposure to 0.1 and radius to 1500. Then I will add some wiggle text effect, and this is also optional. I will search for turbulent displays and add it to the composition. Set the amount to 10 and size to 16. Expand the evolution options and click on this random seed stopwatch to add a keyframe and write this expression called time start 12. I will give you the project file for free. Just follow this Instagram page and comment on this reel. I will send the project file straight to your DM. Thanks for watching.